Palang gabi sa ating lahat. Marahil marami sa inyo ang nagtataka kung bakit ganito ang aking kasuotan. Nais ko lamang sabihin ang inspirasyon ng aking talento. 2 buwan na nakararaan, isa sa mga tinitingala pagdating sa trans pageantry ang Yumao. Siya po ay si Mother Pao. Siya rin po ang orihinal na may-ari ng talentong akin pong itatanghal ngayong gabi ito. Kaya naman, sa mga nakapanood na kung paano ito itanghal ni Mother Pao, marahil hindi ako singgaling niya. Ngunit ang talento ito ay pagbubuhay sa kanyang legasiya at pagpapatuloy ng kanyang nasimulan. Mother Pao is just one of those many pioneers who paved the way for the younger LGBT people. And so tonight, Mother Pao, saan ka man naroroon, ang talento ito ay alay ko sa iyo. Bakit ka ba? Bakit ka pa naghihintay? Nahimukin ka, pilitin pa ng tadhana. Alam mo na kung bakit nagkakaganyan, lumulutang, nasasayang ang buhay mo at ang ibinubulong ng iyong puso. Natutulog ba ang Diyos? Natutulog ba? Alms? Oh, give me alms! I beg you to spare me a piece of bread. Oh Lord, spare me your mercy, please, I beg you. Oh, I am a child so thin, so young, so rugged. Why? Why are you all staring at me? And why do you keep murmuring to one another? Or maybe you know my mother. Do you know my mother? Now, how about my father? Does any one of you know who my father is? Now, how about me? Does any one of you know who I am? Of course. The answer is still big no, because nobody cares about a dirty beggar like me. Nobody even bothered to ask. That's why tonight, this beautiful night, allow me to tell you my story. The story of my past 5 years ago. Oh yes! 5 years of bitter past. But how can I forget? That is one day when my father is sitting in his favorite chair in our sala. And shh, can you hear that? Can you hear her voice? Yes, that's my mother. My mother is singing my favorite song because my mother, she has a piano. It is seated in this middle of our sala. And you know what I did was? My mother was playing the piano. She's singing my favorite song, and my father was watching. And what I did was dance. And dance. And dance. On that day, I never stopped dancing for my mother and for my father because I saw my father was so happy. And I saw my mother, she was so gracious in singing my favorite song. I never stopped dancing that day until suddenly the time ticks. Tick, tock, tick, tock. Everything went so loud, everything went so blurry. happened. I saw my mother and I saw my father being stabbed and killed by people whom I don't know. That day I was asking the Lord, I want vengeance. Oh Lord, I want vengeance. I never understood why this happened. I never understood why God allowed this to happen. But you know my mother before she died, she told me one very important lesson. And she told me, Luis, vengeance is not ours. It can never be ours. Because vengeance is in the hands of our Lord. I still do not understand. I still do not know. But I trust in God. I trust in His will. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Lingayen, judges, maraming salamat po sa inyong mga palakpak. Tunay pong nabuhay ang talento ni Mother Pao. Ngunit marami sa inyo ang nagtataka bakit pinili kong maging madungis. Mas pinili ko po ngayong gabi na ilarawan ang pagkatao ng isang baliw upang ipaalala para sa ating lahat na kailanman kung gaano man karaming kaganda ng mga kandidatang na panonood natin ngayong gabi nito, merong isa na maglalakas loob na dungisan ng kanyang sarili upang ipaalala sa atin ang pinakamalagang leksyon at aral ngayong gabi. Yan ay huwag na huwag nating huhusgahan ang ating kapwa base sa kanilang panlabas na kaanyuan, base sa estado ng kanilang buhay. Dahil baliw kung ating ituring, madalas man natin silang laitin at putyain, meron po silang mapait na karanasan na dapat nating kapulutan ng aral. At lagi nating tatandaan, hindi kailanman tayo huhusgahan ng Diyos base sa kung gaano tayo kadumi o ang langis ng kamumuhay meron tayo, bagkus sa kabutihan na ating ialay sa ating kapwa bago tayo pumanaw sa mundo. Kaya naman, nais ko ipaalala sa ating lahat, ang hustisya hindi nakakamtan sa mundong ibabaw dahil ang tunay na hustisya nakakamtan kapag kapiling na natin ang buong lumikha. Maraming salamat.